Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to muffle music or voice on CapCut. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to go to your CapCut application. Okay. After that you have to click on new project. Then select a particular video with the music. So let me select a random video and click add from the bottom right corner. Now tap on that particular video, then you have to extract the audio. You have to find the option at the bottom part, keep scrolling until you find the extract audio. Here it is. Okay, it will take a little bit time to extract the audio from the video. Okay, the extraction has been made. Now click the audio timeline. Now you can see a button voice effect at the fourth place. Click on it. Now you can see there are many options here like basic, funny, synth, then retro. Click on retro, and at the third place you can see it is written mega 1, so click on it, and that's it. This is our desired effect. You can easily make this effect to any audio, music or anything you want. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.